So we're in the kind of Golden Temple area. We've got something nearby somewhere. नहीं ठीक है ना ठीक है
भगवान ने बेटा दिया ना
ना ठीक है
मैंने भी आटा लेना है तेरे मुन्ना दिख रहा है गरीबों की दुआएं लग जाती बेटा
ठीक है
मैंने भी आटा लेना है सिटी में बच्चे के लिए
Where did you leave it?
भगवान ने बच्चा दिया बेटा तेरा बेटा राजी
No, thank you. No,
Rao, put it. No.
कोई गल नहीं खेल लेंगे बेटा खेल ले दे के मोड़ी दे
Trying to scam a little child.
I have my phone.
Where did you leave it?
It's usually in this pocket.
दे दे वेला मैंने ऐसे दान कर दिया भगवान दे
Let's go to some...
So, in Amritsar, I'm gonna have my very first kulcha. Never had before.
It's culture. It's very hot. Oh my god, it's too hot. I have to wait for that to cool down.
How is it? Is it hot?
Very.
It's very hot. Wow, it is very hot.
It's too hot, Kitty. I have to wait.
So you got kulcha, some chutney, and chole. So try to get Rahul a roti, impossible. So now let's walk down this lovely street and see what we can see. Down here, Kiran. It's straight ahead, that British Museum. So we're going to take a walk to the Partition Museum and probably go in it as well. We'll see anyway. What? Why?
Quite finicky like that, hygiene-wise. But I can also manage. I can manage. I'm flexible. The Amritsar Haveli restaurant. Oh, that looks nice. You know, that kulcha wasn't bad though. It's nice.
It was alright. Kulcha was okay. I think because I got
We heading this way. Should we go up on the pavement?
because I got a bit of a slight dodgy tummy, I didn't enjoy it as much. That was the only thing.
Very good.
What happened?
Doing really well. Got an empty stomach as well. There you
Yeah.
are, little boy. He's a brave boy. Yeah. Very good. Yes, Raoul is a good boy. So far, so good, hey? Kind of.
So now we're going into a Mataji Mandir area. And I think we're going to get a few treats for Rahul as well. There's some sunts here as well. Because I think there's sunts. What are you going to get from here then, Kiran? The mandir's still there if you want to go and have a look.
Come on then.
Get some blessings.
Put the shades back in. Everyone keeps giving me funny looks.
I know.
I'll just be blind.
I'll take our shoes off then. So let's go into this Mataji Mandir and get some blessings on our first day. Come on, Rob. It's JC.
You want to ring the bell? You want to ring the bell?
No.
Ring the bell?
Ring the bell.
Hit it hard. Like this. You want to do it? You do it. Floor's wet, floor's wet, floor's wet there.
This
What
one.
table can floor's wet? It's wet, it's wet. closed that in place and sound.
Oh, because of the pujas they do. That's good.
Huh?
There is a JC. Look, Shiv. And Karen as well.
I know, our feet are wet now.
Awesome. Big ones here. There's a massive hole down there.
Oh, Ross dipped in big puddle.
So a leisurely stroll through Amritsar Chowk, and it's crazy bonkers as hell. Let's have a look.
Go this way.
Down, go down that way. We'll have a look down there. If we find an ice cream place, we'll get rather an ice cream or something.
Something to eat first. Before ice
Or
cream.
something to eat first,
No, I'm
whatever.
looking for a plain. Come back here tomorrow and I'll buy myself a drink.
Yeah,
That's okay.
yeah, whatever you want. Karen likes to buy herself things, so no, get some outfits. Not sorry. Get like a, I don't know, like a Punjabi outfit or something. I don't know. I think this is all like clothing areas.
This is what they were talking about.
Oh yeah, so the teacher takes right down here, which is like 10 seconds away, and charges like 10 rupees for it. Isn't it? Basically.
Can we come out of it then and come back tomorrow to this? Because I want to buy something tomorrow.
Yeah. Such crazy traffic jam. You want banana, please.
Just 3.
Kana.
Just 3, please. Thank you. We're gonna eat them now. We don't need back. No.
कितने के लिए?
20 रुपये.
कितना?
20 रुपये.
20. Absolute mayhem. Absolute mayhem around here. Gonna walk and cross. Just exploring. Gonna walk on the pavement. Kiran, come on the pavement. Walk on the pavement.
Yeah, that would help.
Might be a little bit safer. Some of the street kids. They'll eat some random teppas and stuff. I take it back walking on the pavement. This is more of a slightly men's area now. There's a slightly men's area up here. Kieran, no! Dig it. Look at these kiddie outfits. So we're on a bicycle tuk-tuk ride. You know? Yeah. So we met this guy, asked him to find us a place for tea and roti. We don't know where we're going, but apparently it's a nice place. So we'll see.
And we're holding on for our lives.
And we're holding on for our lives.
All in all, having fun.
Oh, and I've got a dodgy tummy. Ra's got a dodgy tummy. Has Kieran got a dodgy tummy?
No.
Kieran's not got a dodgy tummy. Just me and Ra. I bet it's this dumper here on the left.
Depending on where we've already been.
Probably. Jesus, we're running with it.
He's pulling us, heavy people with heavy bags. It's not fair.
You get 20 rupees out of it, though.
For backbreaking work. You can roll.
Back at the Partition Museum. I like to take us straight back to the same place we were at before.
He's going to take 7 minutes.
I think it'll take us to the same place we just ate. Hopefully not, but I've got a funny feeling he is. So that's the Partition Museum on the left. We already went there, but you can't take any photos on the inside, so obviously we couldn't record or do anything.